In this video, I'm going to show you how to see how many people viewed your Instagram story. So there's two things we can do. The first more obvious thing that we can do is going ahead and looking at our Instagram story. So go ahead to your Instagram and just go and click your story. Now, what you can do is go down to the bottom left-hand corner and hit activity, and that's going to show you how many people currently have looked at your story. It shows you the number, and that metric is for every single story that you post. But if you want to go back into your archives and look at other stories there, what we can do is go to our profile at the bottom right-hand corner, and then go to the three lines at the top right corner. And what we can do once this loads up is go to where it says archive. And then what we can do here is go and look at our story archives. Now, what we can do here is actually go into our story archive, and this will also show the same activity. So we can go through, just in case you don't look at it on your story, you can go through your settings, but it is important to know that it only shows you the story visitor counts, or how many people have seen the story within the past 48 hours. So it's important to know. So you can't actually go back days or weeks or months or years and see how many people have viewed that story. But that's it. It's super simple and super easy to see who